Are you looking for a VVS Finance price prediction 2022, 2025, and 2030, then you are at the right place. We will share some of the most anticipating questions that seriously need attention and accurate answers. There is a distinctive characteristic to every crypto project that makes it stand out from the crowd. Cryptocurrencies were created as a secure network that expands the current file-sharing technology. In recent months, investors have become increasingly interested in the crypto space due to its rapid price increase and want to know the answers of these frequently asked questions. Is VVS Finance, VVS, a good investment? How much will VVS Finance be worth in 2025? Or how much will VVS Finance be worth in 10 years? This video provides information on the fundamentals and VVS price forecast movements on the front when it comes to this. Let's get started. The live VVS Finance price today is $0.000030 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 5,407,026 US dollars. VVS Finance is up 1.29% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 463, with a live market capital of $68,250,886 US dollars. It has a circulating supply of 2,290,100,781,801 VVS coins, and a maximum supply of 100 trillion VVS coins. If you would like to know where to buy VVS Finance, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in VVS Finance stock are currently Bitget, Crypto.com Exchange, and VVS Finance. This is cryptocurrency worldwide. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos about cryptocurrency. VVS Price Prediction 2022. There are signs that the crypto market is about to enter a new age. Certain that the long-term price prediction for VVS's price will soar since there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 can end with an average price of $0.00004211 and a minimum price value of $0.00004062. The maximum price is expected to be trading around $0.00004714. VVS Finance Price Prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, VVS Finance, VVS, prices will have reached a level similar to their previous all-time high. By 2023, we may expect an average price of $0.00005828. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted the maximum price of VVS Finance could be up to $0.00007147 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will dump after a long bull run, and it is normal for cryptocurrency market. VVS Finance Price Prediction 2024. In 2024, with more adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, the price of VVS Finance would skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $0.00009798 in 2024. The price ranges are going to be very trendy if we keep it that way. If everything goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.00008804 with a maximum price of $0.00009798 for 2024. VVS Finance Price Prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, it is not easy to forecast and keep up with the current pricing. Many crypto analysts come into play in this regard. The pricing forecasts are correct for the mentioned years. Crypto consumers are still concerned about the crypto bans and new restrictions. VVS Finance price may cross $0.00015012 if the market sees a good bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be held by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around $0.00013429. VVS Price Prediction 2026. For long-term VVS Finance price predictions, basic analysis is essential. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers a few. The digital economy's autonomy makes it ideal. As dApps and stable coins develop, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of VVS will rise to about $0.00020088 by 2026, if more investors are attracted to the idea. For 2026, the year can end with a maximum price of $0.000222714 with a minimum price level of $0.000195551. VVS Price Prediction 2027. VVS will be seen as a better option, and with the huge community, VVS Finance price will touch new highs. The price fluctuations are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the price of VVS Finance will be almost $0.000295535. The maximum price that we can get is $0.000345501. VVS Finance average price forecast at the end of 2027 can be around $0.000303339. A huge price turnover is expected within the range defined by the crypto market. VVS Price Prediction 2028. A seamless approach to this currency may be found on many websites and forums. In the opinion of this prediction platform, VVS Finance will steady at its current price for a very long time to come. By 2028, the VVS is expected to be worth a maximum value of $0.000499980. The minimum price can go up to $0.000444308 if the market gets bullish. VVS Finance Price Prediction 2029. VVS Finance present price range might interest many traders, and because of this, VVS can reach $0.000766927 by 2029 with substantial cooperation with financial institutions if the following requirements are satisfied. With an average price of $0.000066585 for 2029, it can beat the latest price trend to reach new highs. The price tagline can vary as the crypto market can see another bullish trend on its way to 2029. VVS Finance Price Prediction 2030. VVS have huge potential, with certain collaborations and innovations may increase the number of users and adoption. If the market concentrates on investing in VVS Finance, the price might rise much higher. By 2030, it can reach a maximum value of $0.001. It is expected that the VVS will turn around a little bit if the market goes down. The year 2030 can end with an average price of $0.000986637 with a minimum price of $0.000953008 and the maximum price of $0.001. VVS Price Prediction 2031. The VVS Finance value will increase because of the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the calculated price for the year 2031 is bullish. VVS was anticipated to touch a maximum price level of $0.002 by the end of 2031, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is highly optimistic that the VVS Finance's future will ultimately grow. Therefore, the predicted average price of VVS will be around $0.001 to $0.001 is expected in 2031 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the VVS's maximum price ranges from $0.001 to $0.002 for 2031. Here are the most frequently asked questions from investors. Is VVS Finance a good investment? This is a difficult question to answer. However, long-term investment in this crypto appears to be a sound option to consider. As a result of the price evolution and projections, the graphs for VVS Finance will go up and down in the future. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, are volatile. Consequently, any forecasts are hypothetical. How much will VVS Finance be worth in 2025? Many platforms and analysts think that the price of VVS Finance will continue to grow in the next 5 years, surpassing the $0.000200088 mark by the end of 2025. Even though the price seems like a stretch, you never know. VVS and other cryptocurrencies are very volatile and can change direction at any time. How much will VVS Finance be worth in 10 years? There is a considerably higher chance that the price of VVS Finance will increase to $0.001 in 10 years. The value of one VVS Finance can surpass a minimum price of $0.001 and maximum price of $0.002 within next 8 to 10 years. Here is my closing line. VVS Finance was the subject of our discussion. Because of its potential and relevance, every investment made in it will pay off. A good investment indeed if you want to hold the coin for a long time. To be clear, these forecasts are not usually the most important factor in making a purchase choice. According to specialists, technical analyses and external variables influence their conclusions. It is also good to collect your ideas and then utilize the forecasts to form your perspective. Finally, it is good that you do not make yourself dependable on the price predictions.